Welcome to Subramani. I'm going to talk about a topic like, if you hire an IFA or an MFD as he's now called, or even an RAA, some questions which people just forget to ask or refuse to ask or for some reason shy away. I'm making a list of these questions. I will give you a link to an article which I wrote way back in 2017. And you should be asking him the following things. What is your best way of communicating? Is it SMS? Is it WhatsApp? Is it email? Is it picking up the phone and talking? Tell me which is your best and what time suits you. When should I send you a WhatsApp and you will call back, or should I just pick up the phone and speak to you, right? So first that. There are times when I'm agitated. Will you pick up the call and calm me? Or I may be worried about something silly, but till you speak to me, I may not know it is silly, right? So how often will you communicate with me? I mean, I know how often I will call you, but how often will you communicate with me? And when I come to meet you, I will not come alone, I will come with my wife. So is that okay for you? Who is going to handle my portfolio? Will you be handling, or will your staff be handling, or will you be hiring outside experts? If you are going to hire outside experts, will you ask me before you hire them, or will you hire them and it will be a fait accompli? And what will you do to see that some action is needed? How will you monitor it and how will I monitor it? How often will you monitor my portfolio? Will it be monthly? Will it be quarterly? Or will it be on happening of some events, right? Will you communicate with me all the things about my portfolio, or will the assistant whom you have engaged will communicate it to me? Is there any time for us to communicate, or should I just call you on your cell whenever I think is fine? I assume that some of my funds are not going to do well, and if action needs to be taken, will you call me, or will I have to call you and tell you this fund is not performing well? Is it your job to monitor, or is it my job to monitor? Anyway, it's fine, but tell me whose job it is. If you maintain my portfolio, will you give me the login password, or will I have to maintain the portfolio and give you the login password? Both work for me. Tell me what suits you. If there are products that are good for me from our joint view, will you help me execute even if you don't get any commission on that product? For example, I want to buy some more additional term insurance, or I am going to travel and I need to buy some medical insurance. If suppose these are not within your purview, does it mean you will still help me, or will you just say, I don't know, go and buy it somewhere else? So just tell me what is your level of involvement in those kind of products. When I need a capital gain statement for my tax purposes, will you generate it for me, or will the fund house generate it for me, or will it be a joint effort, or will I have to do it generated myself? When I want to shift from a remunerated asset, like for example, if I am in a debt fund and I want to remove that and repay my housing loan, actually you have a vested interest in my not doing that, because you will lose money. So how do we bring ourselves to the same page as far as remunerating you is as the topic of remunerating you is concerned? I don't want to create a conflict, nor do I want to it to happen that you don't do something because it is not in your interest, even though it is in my interest. I don't mind compensating you, but please tell me how you want to be compensated for doing something which is good for me, but you don't get compensated by the person from whom we are dealing. For example, if I take a home loan from HDFC Limited, I'm sure you will not get anything, but I may benefit by doing that transaction. So tell me those things, right? How do I compensate you for the direct shares that you are giving me as an advice, and I know you're not a broker, so how do I pay you? Right? If you are not registered with a fund house with whom I wish to deal with, how will you handle the compensation? Right? My wife likes to read things slowly, so I would love all the communication be sent to me by email. I hope it is not too much to ask. Well, there are more, but I will let you handle these few points, and then you can decide whether you want to handle the whole thing, right? So these are the questions, and may I please have the answers for them. Thank you.